Allie and I are going to do a quick run on that trail. Sorry for the wind noise if the wind is... All right, so we are a third of a mile in. Definitely feel the humidity, but the cloud cover is keeping it nice and cool this morning. Perfect morning for a run. Don't know how many more opportunities we're gonna get like this, so we gotta take advantage of it. We're headed up to the sugar mill ruins. The path goes all the way to where we were yesterday, so all right. Oh man, I forget how much harder it is running in tropical environments with the humidity. California, we just don't have that. Woo! I'm sweating. I got this tree. That thing is not messing around. All right, so we just finished our run here in Watermelon Bay and ran up to the ruins and back. We're gonna take a quick dip to cool off. And then we are headed over that way, headed into the British Virgin Islands. So we're leaving US Virgin Islands, heading over to the British Virgin Islands. So, we are out in the middle of the Caribbean, sailing to Anegada. I think we're about halfway there. It is a beautiful day, nice steady breeze from the southeast, going about just under 7 knots, about 8 miles an hour. I got the woman I love right up here. It's so peaceful, so relaxing. This is the best way. Now, granted, this is only day 2, but I'm already convinced this is the best way to travel the British Virgin Islands. Can't wait to see Anegada. It's unlike the other British Virgin Islands, very flat, and I guess there's a reef that surrounds the whole island. So, lots of beautiful beaches, great snorkeling, just loving life. Time to do some fishing. Made it to Anegada. It is so beautiful here. The water is so blue. Can't wait to explore. I think we're gonna rent a scooter, so it should be fun. The scooter was a bust for today. They didn't have a helmet to fit my big noggin. We're cruising now. All right, so we made it. Scooter did well. We scooted across to the other side of this island and we saw a bunch of scooters parked here, sort of the end of the road. I think there's some sort of beach over here, so we're gonna check it out. Oh yeah. like it's just kind of one long beach. Water is beautiful color. There's definitely a reef out there. You can see the break. Ah, water feels good. It's just a little beach here. It's pretty nice, but we have very limited time, so I think we're gonna keep going. Hop back on Scooty, or I don't know, what are we calling the scooter? Scoots?
Yeah.
Scoots it is. We're gonna hop back on Scoots and head back and see if we can't see some flamingos. I guess there's a big pond on the middle of the island where the flamingos hang out. We'd love to catch some of those, so we're gonna see if we can't find them. Hop on. Looks so styling in your sunglasses. All right, I'm gonna give this to you.
Cows.
Just walking on the side of the road. You're more likely to run into a cow than you are a person on this island. That's one thing I've learned. And the other thing, rent a scooter. 15 bucks for 2 hours, and you can easily circle the island in that time. It's the best way to get around. So we made it to Anegada Beach Club. It's kind of out by itself on one side of the island. We didn't see any flamingos. We were hoping to. We're gonna try to find somebody to ask where we might find some flamingos. In the meantime though, we're gonna check out the beach. This place looks fancy. Pretty nice. Check that out. Pretty stunning, if I do say so myself. Time for a quick dip and then back on Scoots. This beach is beautiful here at the Anegada Beach Club, but we have to get back. It is about 5:35 and we gotta return Scoots by 6. Time to hit the road. So we're just about to take Scoots back to the rental place, but we have to show you this. That's a Christmas tree. It is March. It looks pretty dead, and we're wondering when they're gonna take it down. Maybe they leave it up till next Christmas, or fun fact, no stop lights on this entire island.
Or street signs.
We gotta show you this real quick. We just went to Little Bit Market, and their selection is a little bit, and we got a little bit of stuff. So at Anegada, this is one of the only options I think for a market. It's called a little bit. And
you only get a little bit.
You only get a little bit, and Tasmanian Devil apparently ate all the rest of their stuff, and now they only have a little bit. So there you go. Yeah. They open at 7 a.m. and then they don't post the closing time. They just close whenever they decide to close. Oh, they also have
bar and restaurant.
Yeah, they also have a little bit snack and bar, snack bar, a little bit snack bar, where you can probably only get a little bit. Nice, all the lobsters there, huh? Cool. How many are you cooking tonight? 50. Wow. So we are back on Bullship. We are just about to make some dinner. I just took a shower. It felt amazing. Check out this sunset. It is absolutely beautiful on Anegada. I'm going to end today's vlog here. If you like the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I will have Captain Pete's boat, his Airbnb listing linked below. So make sure you check it out. If you're coming to the Virgin Islands, both either the US or the British, it's a really cool way to get around. And we will catch you tomorrow. Good night.